Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an iPhone user, you know that shutter sound when taking photos can be a real buzzkill, especially in quiet places. Today, in this quick guide for 2025 iPhones, I'll show you how to turn it off easily. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your iPhone and make sure it's unlocked. The simplest way to mute the camera sound is by using the ring silent switch on the side of your device. That's the small switch near the volume buttons. Slide it towards the back of the phone to put it in silent mode. When your iPhone is silent, the camera shutter sound should be muted too. Just test it by opening the camera app and snapping a photo. But what if that doesn't work? Sometimes, regional restrictions might prevent completely silencing the shutter sound, like in some countries for privacy reasons. In that case, head to the Settings app. Tap on the gear icon on your home screen to open it. Once in Settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, you can adjust your ringtone and alert volumes, but for the camera, double-check the ringer and alerts slider is all the way down. While you're here, look for any specific camera-related options, though in 2025 iOS, it's mostly tied to the silent mode. If you're still hearing the sound, try going back to Settings and selecting Camera. In some updates, there might be an option to tweak sound settings directly, but remember, this isn't always available everywhere. Always ensure your iPhone software is up to date by going to Settings, General, Software Update. That's it, you've now silenced your iPhone camera. This trick works on most models from the iPhone 13 up to the latest 2025 releases. Remember, if you're in a place where sounds are required by law, this might not fully disable it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other iPhone questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.